everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. Your loved ones beneath a tree hanging up. Hammock, a truck, a small bistro traveling to a sunny nook, and solar lanterns to light your evening walk. This your outdoor space become an extension of your home and of you. Negative plants, bird, bath, bee, hotel, and butterfly water invite life back into your yard. Start to notice visitors, a golf in a air, a monarch there, even a glorious fox if you are lucky, and suddenly your garden isn't just a place, it's tiny ecosystem buzzing, blowing balance. When the sun hits your garden, doesn't have to sleep, lighting the sound of bubbling water feature, the sense of just mind drifting through the air. At night, the garden becomes something new, immediate, magical, and spring lights in the trees illuminates key plants with soft. This is your signature day and light. There are no such gardens such as our resilience, inspirations, letting go. They remind us that change is natural beauty, always on learning. Sometimes it's wild, messy, real, just like your garden does need to be finished today. Start small, work with what you have, let your space evolves as you do. A great garden is a lifelong relationship, not a one-time project. A soap plant are lately front and space where it becomes our time your space will become uniquely yours. No two gardens are ever the same. If you met in this spot, thank you for joining on this journey. If you are inspired to begin, continue your landscaping adventures, let us know in the comments. Share your favorite plants, your dreams, your questions, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more garden wisdom, tips, and inspirations every week. Until next time, steps outside, take a breath, and let your garden tell its story. Want more? We can keep going with segments like designing for small space, virtual gardening, and fertilizers, water featured, budget landscaping, tip, garden lighting, Zen gardens, mindfulness, landscaping session, tips, garden. Looking for your say in this video, top creative, trending, and stylish landscaping ideas, pebble stone trends, garden decor ideas. So take care, friends. We will see you next.